What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I've been waiting to get my lashes so I can do this video for y'all. First of all, I was about to go get my nails done and then I got my package and I'm way too excited, so I had to film this for you, so don't judge my nails or my hair. Anywho, first and foremost, thank you so much for the support you guys have all been giving me regarding the lash line. It's taken me so much time. I've been working on this for about a year, and I finally have finalized everything and brought it to life, so I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on these. You have no idea. And it's been prolonged and it's here. So I want to go over everything with you guys. First of all, the lashes will look like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. They are beautiful, they're dark, they are fluffy, they are so easy to work with. I'm gonna show you guys all of that. And I did post to Instagram just a few minutes ago with questions that I want you guys to ask regarding the lash line, so I'm gonna go over those in a little bit. But first of all, I want you guys just to see how fluffy, how dark these are. Okay, so the lashes will be sold in single length sizes for now. And then if you guys request the mixed trays, I will bring those in as well. I know a lot of lash artists buy singly. I buy single length trays, so I just figured that that would be a little bit more better. But if you guys prefer the mixed trays, please let me know in the comments. Also, you can DM me. They will be available in C and D curl, and they will be available from 9 through 17 mm. And you guys are so good. Oh my god, I have to do a set and post it for you guys so you guys can see. I mean, I've been doing them, you've seen them on my Instagram, but I want to film it as well so you guys can see how good they are. Okay, anyways, the next launch, I will be launching my tweezer line, so stay tuned for those. This is just a little preview, but please stay tuned. They're going to be so good and they work amazing with my lashes, so I recommend them both together. And those will be coming soon, but I am going to show you guys how easy these fan, how beautiful they are, and so yes.
Y'all, look at these. They're so fluffy. So beautiful, y'all. Okay. So come in, take that one off. The key with the lashes is to drop it below. So see here how my tail is below. Use the very, very tip point of your tweezer to fan with. Lift slowly and then reposition it back down again. Use the very tip and fan out. Okay, and remember when you grab, to grab slowly and pull very, very, very slowly, and you should get a fan just like this. Beautiful fan, perfect fan. Okay, so remember you guys, pull, lift, drop right below. Use the very tip. Look at how easy these fan. Oh my gosh. The cool thing about these versus the others is they fan a lot easier. There's not a lot of goop on the bottom. You're able to reposition them, readjust them. They're very, very dark. Very dense. They will give you a dark, full, fluffy look that everyone loves. Lift. One more time. Drop right below. Use the very tip to fan out. Oh my gosh. Lift gently. Beautiful fan. You guys, I can't wait for everyone to try these. Please tag me in all your work. Send it to my Instagram. They're so easy to work with. This is unbelievable. Drop below. Use the tip. Ladies, remember, work smarter, not harder. Slowly pull, and you have a beautiful fan. Okay, y'all, so you've asked me to do a comparison on darkness, so we're gonna go, these are mine. Okay, very dark, very fluffy. Okay, and then these are iLevel Lab. So again, look, you can see through those. They're still pretty dark on this side. So, see through, okay. So mine again. So dark. Okay, so these are the Yegi Easy Fannings. And again, you can see through these, similar to the iLevel Labs. Yegis are a bit darker. iLevel, Yegi, and then mine. So a lot darker, a lot fluffier. Yegi. Lashes by Kins. Make sure to go to our website, www.shoplashesbykins.com. These will be available next weekend. So this following weekend coming up, they will be available.
Okay guys, thank you so much for all your support, for watching the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you guys and you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys love these as much as I do. And finally, I get to do something for y'all that you guys can do what I'm doing and just practice and give you guys an awesome product that I know works, that I know is great. And I worked really hard on this, so thank you so much for your continued support. If you guys have any questions, comments, I'd love to hear your guys' feedback on the line, so please DM me, comment below. I want to know it all. Send me pictures, and please subscribe and like, and these will be available next weekend. I hope you guys grab as many as you can because there is limited amount, and I want everybody to get their hands on it. So head there now, add in your email, and get your Lashes by Kins. They are amazing. You guys will love them. And I can't wait to hear from you guys. Okay, I love you. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'm so excited to see your guys' work.